So what's up, everybody? We at the Summit Hotel in Naga City, Camarines Sur, Bicol. And we're staying here for New Year's Eve until New Year's Day.
Oh,
And we're gonna show you guys the room and how much we pay. So if anybody's interested, how much you get for the room, how much you pay and what you get, we're gonna show you guys.
okay. What floor are we?
I don't know what floor we at. She has to fix the key card.
Oh, okay.
So she says they're gonna assist us. He knows where it's at.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
And Amara here is...
Yep. Thank you, sir. So, babe, what's the name of this room again?
So this is Makusog Suite.
Makusog Suite.
Makusog.
Makaso.
Mako.
Mako.
Sog.
Sog.
Yep. That is Bicol word and in English meaning strong.
Strong. Okay. So yes, guys, how much is it again, babe, for this room?
In Philippine peso, it's 6,900, and in US dollar, that is 124.
$124. So,
Yep.
guys, if you're interested in coming to Bicol and staying over here at the Summit Hotel in Naga City, this is what you're gonna get for that price.
Okay.
After you, babe.
Oh wow! They have cool. That is beautiful. Let me see. Huge bathroom. Oh, they have bathtub, my husband. Look at that.
Wow.
And look, oh my God, it is huge bed.
Wow.
Kuya, okay lang kuya mahagad akong crib. Salamat po.
I'm gonna give him a propina tip.
Yeah,
Tell him to hold on.
Hold, teka lang po kuya, saglit lang. Look at that. We have our own, what is this, my husband? Look, a big TV. This is, wow.
This
This
is the
is,
reason why I got it for Amara, so she can run around here.
oh
and we can
my
actually
God.
watch, the countdown from here if we don't go outside. But
I know.
we're planning on going
But
outside.
it's so freaking beautiful. Like, I couldn't believe it's worth how much
So $124, babe?
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look how nice it is in the, oh my God. Oh my God. I feel like I want
Where's the
to,
light? Let's turn on the light.
look at
There's
this.
the light.
And then they have this one. Oh, nice size.
Yep.
And look. Oh, wow. Look, who's there? Wow. And here we have here another TV. Ah! We have this and an iron. This one. I want like this double in our future home. And then look at the view.
Let's check out the view. I don't even.
Wow!
What?
Oh my God!
Oh,
Look at that!
damn.
OMG! Oh my God! OMG! my husband. That is so freaking beautiful. Look at, you can see the whole city, Mara. Look, and that is, I forgot the name of that mountain. Ta-da. This is how I wish we could stay here for 1 week.